So mortgage interest rates increased over the last 7 days. Does that mean prices are going to drop soon? Stay tuned. Hey friends, it's Andy Nazaroff with the Nazaroff team, brokered by eXp Realty. For this week's Real Estate Corner, it's the first week of March. And over the last 10 days, mortgage interest rates crept up. And maybe you've seen it on news headlines on the internet. Maybe you've seen it on the evening news. Maybe you've seen it on some of the posts that you've been swiping through. But the reality is, the media at large is over sensationalizing what happened. Surprise. The reality is, our interest rates for mortgages were at a record low at the beginning of the year. Wouldn't you expect things to increase from there? So mortgage interest rates did increase. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to sweep that under the rug, but the truth is they increased by that much. I think I saw a 2.72 mortgage interest rate that was a little bit more than 3 within 7 days. 3%. Maybe the market's going to crash. I'm being very cynical and a little bit comical maybe for you, but I'm really just telling you the truth. It's nothing to lose hope over. Actually, mortgage interest rates in the low threes for over the last 40 years is record lows. It is still as good as, if not better than, inflation. So what can we expect? I just did some time reading this morning several different heavy hitter economists' forecasts based on what happened. And they said, in one hand, mortgage interest rates increasing was a vote of confidence for the economy because the treasury bonds are doing well. And that's what mortgage interest rates are going to be tied to. On the other hand, the wild card, the way that we could say, may they spike, is going to be directly tied to a couple of question marks. Question marks around what's inflation going to look like for 2021, and a question mark around what is this new stimulus package going to actually do to the economy. Either way, we don't expect mortgage interest rates to have a downward pressure on price. The reason why? There is so little inventory and so high demand. And when you have such a stark difference between those two, as I've been covering in several recent Real Estate Corner videos, as we have such a contrast between where the inventory is at and where demand is at, you could argue that the market can afford for a little bit of the demand to subside and still have record-setting price appreciation. So it's a strong market. If you're looking to buy in it, make sure that you're connected with your lender in case you were really close on a certain price range, that the small increase in mortgage interest rates doesn't change what you can afford. And as always, reach out to us. Let us know if we can help. If there's any questions you have, we're here for you. Have a great week.